Okay, good evening, gang. This is part two of the challenge for the cleaning of the track. And what I did was I took the two engines and I cleared the consist on them, and I'm running them separately. And they ran through with no problem, except there was one spot right by that curve there by the mobile truck, and so I just sprayed some CRC stuff on a rag and cleaned it, and then now it goes through there smooth. So the engine is down there, and I'm going to bring it back and let's see what happens. Okay, I gotta do a recall to get to that one. That's 6101. Power cab, hit reverse. Here it comes. It's a little wobbly because I'm standing on the ladder. And it's going through. No hesitations. Now I'm going to bring it the other direction because it wasn't hesitating when it was going that direction, but it hesitated to come in the opposite direction. So let's slow it down. You can hear the air brakes on that Tsunami too. It's really good. Now let's see, I'm going to go forward. And I run this at speed step 20. No hesitation through there at all. It's still moving along. It gets down through there, and once it gets past that signal with the yellow on it, that was the last spot that I hesitated on. Now it went red. So with one engine it works fine, but then when I put the train on that, what I'm going to do is bring it around and hook it up to the train. And then we'll pull the train around and see if it goes through. Because I did that test before and it didn't work. So we're going to come around. I'm going to have to start slowing it down. That's another building I took out of storage and put on the layout. Now, yeah, before, let's see if it coupled. Oh my God, it did it. Usually when you're doing this on a video, it won't do it. Let's see, we're at speed step 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see what happens pulling the car. How about that? that one curved section of track was causing the problem. It wasn't cleaned. Coming around. It's a pretty heavy load. That's why I got 2 engines on it. It's going up a grade, so. We'll just back it up. This fan light I'm taking out. I'm going to put a track lighting in. That's the next project. So I got to put the consist back in. But it looks like it's working. Oh, now I got a derailment here. That little car. But that's it. So I'll be back later with the consistent engines, and then we'll see how it goes. So we'll see you in a little while. Okay, I'm back. I got the 2 engines consisted now, and there they go. They're making their way around to the spot. I'm going to spin around this way so I don't fall off the ladder. And up and over. And there he comes around the corner. And we're going to come to the spot. No hesitation. No hesitation. No hesitation. Making it around. So that's what it was. This one dirty, dirty, dirty piece of track. And we're just going to come to a stop over here. Okay, gang, thanks for all the help and the cleaning of the track. That one curved section there was the culprit, and took a lot of testing, and now the trains are running again. Now to work on the inside main line to see if I got any glitches in there, and that's it. And then we'll get all the trains running in dispatcher. So that's it, folks. Thanks again for all the help, and we'll all see you in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody take care.